Check out this song from the Upgradors app.
Oh yeah, now listen up. Pronouns take the place of nouns. I, he, she, we, they, you, it. Sally baked cupcakes, Sally gave me one. Sally baked cupcakes, she gave me one. The pronoun she takes the place of the noun. Sally. Liz and Ray play tag. Liz and Ray had fun. Liz and Ray play tag. They had fun. The pronoun they takes the place of the nouns. Liz and Ray. Possessive pronouns show belonging. Oh yeah. My, his, her, our, their, your, whose, its. Jason lost Jason's ball. Jason lost his ball. The pronoun his takes the place of the noun. Jason. An indefinite pronoun tells you something that is not definite or exact. Anyone, everything, no one, everybody, the whole class must leave now. Everybody must leave now. The pronoun everybody takes the place of the noun. Class. Pronouns take the place of nouns. Oh yeah!
Want to join the adventure and save the land of learning? Download the Upgradors app today.